So, why does our inner leader really matter when it comes to relationship? An important aspect is that we become aware of our internal dialogue, right? Of the voices that speak inside our heads, that nagging critical voice or the judge that is in there, or maybe sometimes we hear our parents' voice somehow judging what we do or our decisions, or a teacher or a neighbor or whatever, like there's so many voices in our heads that continuously chatter, at least they do in mine. And the emotions that are also triggered by either those thoughts or by specific situations, and how we feel about things. And having this awareness of our inner workings, that self-mastery, is really the foundation of building healthy relationships, because this self-awareness, it leads to much more empathy. When I understand my own emotions and my own communication style, my own way of presenting myself, like how do I show up, how am I perceived maybe by other people, it helps me to better understand and connect with other people as well.